We'll guide you through how to enable or disable FN function keys on a laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you go and have the function keys enabled, this goes and means the F keys go and work as they usually would. So to give you an example, if you went and pressed F11 in an application, that can go and make it full screen potentially. However, if you want to go and have them disabled, this then means you can go and use their alternative use. For example, if I had these disabled, we could then go and use the brightness key. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. So it's going to be a key combination on your keyboard. So it does go and vary, so make sure you listen carefully here. What we can do here is we can go and press the FN key and escape in this case together. You go and see FN lock will now go and change. Now, when I go and use the keys, it's changing the volume there, and I can go and change the brightness there. In some laptops, you may need to go and press the FN and shift key, or there may be a different FN lock key. So you may need to go and press that without FN, or you press it with FN. And that should then go and enable or disable them, depending upon what they're currently set to. Just go and press that combination again to go and either enable or disable.